gives me much pleasure to be here tonight. I'm sure you don't want to listen to a long speech because you want to hear who the winners are from these wonderful contestants. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the Special Administrator, our MC of course, and Mrs. Doughton and the other members of the organizing committee who have put this carnival together. Of course, no carnival can be successful without the sponsorship, in particular of corporations or companies. And Vodafone again has been sponsoring or has sponsored this carnival, and they do so throughout the country. And I think we should all put our hands together for Vodafone and all the other sponsors that have made this a possibility in Tavua. One of the things that always amazes me in these sorts of carnivals are the wonderful contestants. It is no easy thing to be walking up and down the stage and to have everybody look at you and gawk at you, put you under the microscope and watch every single move. But on the other hand, these carnivals cannot be successful without the Queens. And I think we should all put our hands together for the Queens, for their wonderful effort in raising the money that they have. And as you know, that the monies that are raised through this carnival will go towards the beautification of Tavua. I'd like to thank the administrator, Mr. Praveen Bala, for the fantastic work he's doing, not just in Tavua, but also in Ba and in Lautoka. Ladies and gentlemen, most of you, or some of you, would have got copies of the Fijian Constitution, the new Constitution, which we have tried to distribute as much as possible tonight. If you have not received one, please don't worry about that, because we'll also be giving to the administrator later on in the week, so all of you can have a copy of it. One of the major themes of this constitution, the new Fijian constitution, is apart from the fact that we recognize cultural rights, land rights, and the fact that everybody will be called a Fijian in Fiji, it does try and engender, it creates unity, which is the theme of this carnival. No nation, no country has ever been successful without all the citizens being united and being focused on their country. We all talk about Australia and America and England and Europe and even China and places like India that have been very successful. The only reason they have been successful, they are prosperous, is because all the citizens are focused and are united behind their country. And this is what Fiji needs, this is what this constitution gives you, and this is what we urge all of you to think about. Not just think about ourselves, not just think about our family members, as we all should do, but think about our neighbors, think about our communities, think about our towns and cities, and indeed think about our nation. So ladies and gentlemen, it is very, very critical. The young people are here today. Nearly 65% of the Fijian population are below the age of 37. The young people are our future, and we should all be focused on and be working towards giving them the support, giving them the inspiration that they require to become the future leaders of Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, thank you once again for coming here tonight. We wish you all a very good evening, and I am sure that we all stand together and wish our country a very successful new coming year, and indeed for the years to come. Minaka Levu, and have a good evening. Thank you.